Good morning, student. We are discussing about the chemical bonding and molecular structure. In last video, we have completed the dipole moment, applications of dipole moment, and today we will discuss about the another concept of the formations of a molecules. That is called the valence electron pair repulsion theory. Before this, we have discussed two formations of a molecule by the covalent bond through the Kozel-Lewis approaches. But this model could not explain about the shape of the molecules. So, valence electron pair repulsion theory, the next approach for the formations of the molecules as well as the shape of molecule was given by the Sidgwick and Powell in 1940, which was further extended by the Nyholm and Gillespie in 1957. So, this model, this concept based on that, on this basis, when a molecule having 3 or 4 atoms, it is assumed to have a definite shape of the molecule. Is it clear? If the molecule contain 3 or 4 atoms, 3 or 4 atoms must have the definite shapes, and this is formed by the sharing of electron from the valence shells. So actually the shape of a molecule depend upon the valence electrons in the central atoms. If the central atom having only the bond pair of electron, there are two types of electron in the central atom of a molecules. The electron which is participate in the bond formation through the covalently, this is called the bond pair of electron. There are two types of bond which tend to form the bond between the molecules. There are two types of. This is the bond pair of electron and the lone pair of electron. What is means of the bond pair of electron? Actually, the electron which participate in the bond formation as a covalently with the other atoms from the valence shell of an atom. Is it clear? This is called bond pair of electron. And the electron which is present in the valence shell and does not participate in the bond formation, this is called the lone pair of electron. So there are two types of bond. So in a molecule, valence shell electron pair approach, concept approach on the electron present in the valence shell of atoms. So having 3 or 4 atoms or more than 3 or 4 atoms, it has the definite shape. It may be the linear, triangular, planar, and the tetrahedral, square planar, and the trigonal bipyramidal. This shape may be arises by the sharing of electron from the valence shell of an atom. Is it clear? So today we will discuss about the valence electron pair repulsion theory as well as the examples which is formed through the examples of a compound which is explained on the basis of valence electron pair repulsion theory, BSEPR theory. Means this concept this concept give, that is the formations of a molecule as well as the shape of the molecule. So this is the valence electron pair repulsion theory, VSEPR theory. This theory was given by Sidgwick and Powell. In 1940, and further developed by Nyholm and Gillespie in 1957. So basically this concept based on the electron pair repulsion theory, we are coming on the same topic. So this theory was given by Sidgwick and Powell, further extended and developed by the Nyholm and Gillespie. And this theory states out that the electron present in the valence shell repel to each other. Just like you will see here, an atom in the central atom A having the any molecule, just like AB2 of type of molecule, there are 3 atoms. So A will be central atom and B is the associated atom. So electron pair in the central atoms repel to each other. Just like here, the two shells of A having the 2 electron and the 2 to 4 to 6 and so on. So these electrons present the valence shell repel to each other and then minimize to the repulsion, stay as far apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsion to make a definite shape of the molecules, because this electron participate in the bond formation and the electron present in the valence shell repelling to each other. This is called repulsion theory. Is it clear? Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Electron pair means that electron participate in bond formation. You know that a bond is formed by the sharing of electron. So pair means 2 electron form the single bond. This is called electron pair or bonding pair of electron, also known as. So these electrons repel to each other. So how the formations of a definite geometry, definite shape of a molecule. So this concept based on the formations of a molecule. So we can say that according to the VSEPR theory, according to VSEPR theory, electron pair, electron pairing valence shell repel to each other, and stay as far apart, far apart, to minimize the force of repulsions, to minimize the force of repulsion and have less energy and maximum stability, and has less, minimize the force of repulsion and has less energy and maximum stability. So what is showing valence shell electron pair repulsion? One thing is clear, it gives the concept for the formations of molecule and the shape of the molecules. What would be the shape of molecule, which can be provided by the VSEPR theory. So according to this theory, the electron pair, or simply you can say that valence shell, you can say that valence shell electron pair repel to each other and minimize because the like charge always repel to each other and every electron having the negative charge. So in the valence shell, these electron pair repel to each other. So how it form the bond? They stay as far apart as possible itself. Keep in mind, very important thing. The valence shell electron pair present in the outermost shells or valence shell repel to each other and minimize the force of repulsion. How? Because stay as far apart possible to minimize the force of repulsion and have the minimum energy and the maximum stability to form the molecules. One thing clear? What is the valence electron pair repulsion theory? The electron pair stay as far apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsion to form minimum energy and the maximum stability of a compound. Is it clear or not clear? Formations of a molecule takes place through the valence shell electron of a central atom and give the definite shape. How the definite shape formation takes place of a molecule? By sharing of electron from the valence shell of atom, and the electron present in the valence shell repel to each other. Then how the formations of a definite shape of a molecule? So VSEPR theory state out that the electron pair present in the valence shell repel to each other, stay as far apart as possible. Stay means make the distance. Stay as far apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsion between them and have minimum energy and the maximum stability. This theory is based on this concept. So now we'll discuss the main postulate of the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Main postulate of VSEPR theory. Main postulate of VSEPR theory. That is the first point. If molecule contain three or more atoms, if the molecule contains three or more atom, one of the atom is called the central atom. One of the atom is called central atom, to which other atom associated called, to which other atom linked to each other, or you can say to which other atom is linked, Just like a compound or molecule is given ABX, X may be 2, 3, 4 and so on. Just like a molecule having AB2. So in this molecule, A is the central atom. The first postulate states about this. If a molecule contains three or more atoms, so one atom is the central atom, another atom is called the associated atom, which is linked to the central atom. First postulate. Very easily understand this. If a molecule contains three or more atoms, one atom is called the central atom, to which other atom is linked, that is called the associated atom. Just like ABX, X may be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So AB2 type means A is the central atom and B is the associated atom, or linked atom. So in this molecule, one would be the central atom, another is the associated atom. This is the first postulate of the VSEPR theory. Second postulate is that pair of electron in the valence shell of a central atom repel to each other. Second, pair of electrons in the valence shell of an atom repel to each other. Second postulate. What is saying this? Means the electron present in the valence shell repel to each other. Is it clear? Because you know that same charge always repel to each other. So all electrons having the same negatively charged, so they are repelling to each other. Next postulate. And third postulate, electron pair in valence shell stay as far apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsions. Third postulate. Electron pair in valence shell stay apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsion. They are going to form the definite shape. How the formations of definite shape takes place, these are given by the VSEPR theory. Next, The multiple bond have the less effect on the shape of the molecule. Means it does not affected the shape of the molecule very easily. You can understand because it occupies very less space in the molecules. So the presence of fourth postulate, the presence of multiple bond has less effect on the shape of molecules. Multiple bond has less effect on the shape of molecules. On the shape of molecules. Multiple bond means just like a molecule having the double bond and triple bond. So it does not affected the shape of the molecule. Means there is no restriction created by the multiple bond to formations of a molecules. Next, this is the geometry of fifth postulate. The geometry of molecule depend upon fifth part. Geometry of molecules depend upon the number of lone pair of electron and the bonding pair of electron. Keep in mind, in the valence shell, depend upon the geometry of molecule depend upon the total number of valence shell electron pair. Either this is the bonding or the non-bonding electron. Means geometry of molecule depend upon the number of valence shell electron which type of valence electron found in the valence shell. This is bond pair R and the lone pair. These two types of electron present in the valence shell. Bond pair means which are participate in the bond formation, and non-bonding means the electron which is not participating in the bond formation. These two electron determine the shape of the molecule because repulsion takes place between these electron present in the valence shell. So presented around the valence electron, that is bond pair and lone pair, around the central atoms. Around the central atoms. Means shape determined on the basis of number of bonding pair of electron and the non-bonding means lone pair of electron. Now questions, what would be the shape on the basis of the number of lone pair of electron and bond pair of electron present in the central atom in their valence shell? What would be shape? So next postulate state about this. Sixth postulate state that number 6. If the central atom have only the bonding pair of electron, their shape would be regular. Is it clear? There is no non-bonding, means all electron participate in bond formation. So what would be the shape of molecules? Their shape would be regular. Regular means this is linear, triangular, planar, tetrahedral, square pyramidal, and the trigonal, biplanar, bipyramidal, octahedral, etc. Means there is no distortion when only the electron bonding pair of electron present in their valence shells. So next postulate state out that when the central atom in a molecule, having bonding pair of electron or bond pair of electron, bond pair of electron, so their shape would be regular. You can say this is the shape of molecule is regular. The shape of molecule is regular. What is means of regular? That is linear, triangular planar, tetrahedral, or square pyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal, and octahedral. That is octahedral, etc. for 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electron. 6 bonding pair of electron. Very important postulate of the valence electron pair theory. Bonding pair of electron. Are you clear? When the central atom having only the bonding pair of electron, their shape would be regular. What would be the regular shape? This is linear. If the 2 only bonding pair of electron, their shape would be regular, linear. 3 bonding pair of electron, their shape would be the triangular, planar. 4 electron, it has the tetrahedral shape or the square pyramidal shape. If the 5 bonding pair of electron present in the central atom, their shape would be the trigonal, bipyramidal. And the central atom have the 6 electron, their shape would be the octahedral. So there is no distortion takes place in between the molecules due to the presence of only bonding pair of electron. This type of shape created by the bonding pair of electron. Next is when the central atom having both the electron, bonding pair of electron and lone pair of electron. So their shape would be distorted shape, not the regular shapes. So next postulate is that when central atom is surrounded by, next postulate, 7. When central atom is surrounded by both lone pair and bond pair of electron, so their shape would be distorted shape. Means bond pair of electron, the molecule do not have the regular shapes. The molecule do not have regular shape. Is it clear? If both types of electron present, bond pair as well as the lone pair, so their shape will not be the regular, they are the distorted shapes. So it means the relative order of, so that is it is distorted shape. Later we discuss in the example. So order of the relative order of repulsion between the bond pair and lone pair of electron are as follow. The relative order of lone pair and bond pair of electron are as follow. So maximum repulsion takes place between the lone pair and lone pair of electron. Lone pair and the lone pair of electron. Then lone pair and bond pair of electron. Lone pair, if the lone pair of electron having the maximum repulsion takes place. Due to this, their order, their shape is not the regular. then repulsion takes place lone pair and the bond pair, and very minimum repulsion takes place between the bond pair and bond pair of electron. Get clear? So on this basis we will discuss about the shape of molecule. What is the valence electron pair repulsion theory? It is based on the electron present in the valence shell. Electron, there are two types of electron present in the valence shell: bonding pair of electron and the non-bonding pair of electron, means lone pair of electron. What is bonding pair of electron? The electron participate in the bond formations to make the electron pair, that is called bonding pair of electron. And the non-bonding electron means which does not participate in the bond formations in a molecule, as a lone pair of electron present at the central atom of the molecule. So this theory was put forward by Sidgwick and Powell in 1940, which was further developed by the Nyholm and Gillespie in 1957. This theory was based on this concept: the electron pair present in the central atom repel to each other and stay as far apart as possible to minimize the force of repulsion to form the stable structures. And what is the main postulate of valence electron pair repulsion theory? If the molecule having 3 or more atoms, so one atom is called the central atom, to which link other atom is called the associated atom. Just like ABX I have already mentioned, X value may be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Second postulate is that pair of electron in the valence shell of a central atom repel to each other. Is it clear? Pair of electron present in the valence shell of central atom repel to each other. Third postulate state out that is the electron pair stay as apart possible to minimize the force of repulsion between them. They try to maintain already the stable structure, repelling to each other. So due to this they are staying away as possible to minimize the force of repulsion and form a stable structure. Fourth postulate: the multiple bond have the less effect on the shape of the molecule. Means it does not affect much more the shape of a molecule, because occupying very small space. Now the fourth postulate states that the geometry of a molecule depend upon the number of electron. Which number of electron? Lone pair and bond pair of electron in the central atom of the molecules. So what would be geometry? It is depend upon the number of electron. Which type of electron present in the central valence shell of a central atom. So next, sixth postulate is state out that what is the sixth postulate? If the central atom having only the bonding pair of electron, their shape would be regular. What is the regular shape? That is linear, triangular, planar, tetrahedral or square pyramidal, or the trigonal bipyramidal, and the pentagonal bipyramidal, and the octahedral, etc. for the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electron. If the 2 electron, 2 bonding pair of electron, linear shape; 3 bonding pair of electron, triangular planar shape; 4 bonding pair of electron, this is tetrahedral or the square pyramidal; 5 bonding pair of electron, this is pentagonal bipyramidal; 6 bonding pair of electron, this is octahedral. So this shape makes by the bonding pair of electron. In case central atom having the lone pair as well as the bond pair of electron, so their shape would not be regular. Their shape would be distorted. Distorted? Why? Because having the maximum repulsion takes place between them. So what is the relative order of the repulsion between the electron? Maximum repulsion found into the lone pair and lone pair, and then lone pair and the bond pair, and very less repulsion takes place between the bond pair and bond pair of electron. So next time we will discuss about the examples of the molecule having only the bond pair of electron, and also the molecule having both lone pair and the bond pair of electron, and how they are affected the shape of the molecule. What is the distorted shape and how the formations of the regular shape of a molecule. So next time we will discuss, and try to also read yourself, and if you have any questions, so send your questions on the WhatsApp group or the Google Classroom. I will give the answers and reply in the next video. Is it clear? Thank you.